Welcome back, everybody, here on the West Coast, where I consider my happy place. You know why it's my happy place? Because just knowing the water's right there, I could just get on the boat and go wherever I want. That makes me happy. Just the idea. I mean, not that I have to do it every day, but it would be good though, don't you think? And right now it's about 9:30 in the morning and everyone's still sleeping. I guess it's gonna be one of those lazy days, but not for me. I'm thinking what to do, where to go, where to start. Because here on the West Coast, there's so many places to visit. By water, definitely you got plenty of islands, beaches, and sandbars. And if you get hungry, they have plenty of restaurants too. Or if you just want to cruise around the water and just sightsee, there's plenty of channels and canals that you could do. Or you could always head north or south along the coast. But right now, I don't really know what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna take a look at the water and maybe it could give me an idea. Because believe it or not, if you look at the water long enough, it talks to you. And sometimes it even calls you. Well, at least it does to me. And I notice it's mostly on the weekends. I guess it's like my stomach when sometimes it calls me and it says I'm hungry. But now my nose is detecting something that smells really good. So we're about to have that $1 million breakfast. Oh, and by the way, guys, let me show you guys the finished product. Check it out. Check it out. I haven't showed you guys. Look at that. Finally, got the backsplash. Look at it. How cool. All done by me. Well, us. I had a helper. She's my helper.
I did the grout.
Check it out. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Finally, the kitchen is done. It's functional. I don't know if you guys remember how the kitchen used to look before, but it is completely different. Look at it. Loving it. Loving it. Yeah, buddy. The designated cook. Oh, she's my designated cook. Oh, check out the breakfast. Look at that. $1 million right there. Boom. So you know what? Let me go to my favorite area.
Let me put a little bit of salt and pepper. Come on.
Oh, salt and pepper? Oh, okay. Wow. Salt and pepper. That's a song. All right, so let me go to my $1 million area with my $1 million breakfast. Check it out. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Yes. Like you noticed this morning, I was just here admiring the view that I get. Check it out. And I love it how these doors open up like that. Woof. Like it. Loving it. Loving it right there. $1 million breakfast at $1 million spot. Well, at least for me it is. Great taste at a great place. And we decided to come over here to the west side because if you guys noticed, Friday the weather was really ugly in Miami, and it said the whole weekend was gonna be like that. So you already know I don't trust the weatherman, but I didn't want to take my chances of getting stuck at home. I prefer to get stuck in the water when it's raining. So we decided to shoot over to the west side, and we're here. And so far so good. The weather here is supposed to be better than Miami weather, so we're gonna be here and see what the day brings us. Check out her $1 million breakfast. Good Lord, what is that?
This is a protein pancake.
Hmm.
Want to try it?
That's the big one. Half an hour, I guess.
That's it. Tasty cool.
I guess this is her $1 million spot. Right here. She was doing that view right there. That's my $1 million spot over there. I like it over there better. She likes it here. I like it there. All right, guys, check this out. We spent all day making this, I guess, light bait holder. I don't even know what it's called. Container, whatever it is. Pretty cool, right? We went and made it out of PVC and plastic mesh, and it's pretty strong. So that's what we spent all morning doing. And I didn't record it because we had to actually go to Home Depot 3 times. because I kept on miscalculating the PVC and all the T's and all that. So finally we got it together, and now we're gonna go ahead and test it out. But first, he's actually practicing for our new cast net, a bigger one, a 14-footer. And then we're gonna try to go catch some sardines. And he still sucks. Where's Joel when we need him? Hey, he still sucks. I guess keep practicing there. So this is what we spent doing. We spent about 4 hours doing this. And check this out. So now we're gonna go try to catch some sardines, so we can have live sardines in the back of the house. Cause you know we're trying to do some more fishing. So it's pretty cool, right? Now we gotta just put the top on it, and we're ready to go. That's pretty good, actually. Yeah, it's pretty tight. I mean, it's pretty. I think it'll be pretty good. It floats and everything. We just need the cover. That we ran out of material, so I have to go back to the store. We didn't want to go back to the store, so we're gonna try it like that. So hopefully, Fresco, keep practicing. And then now we're gonna do our own chum for the sardines. Check out what we're doing. So we bought Quaker Oats, we bought tuna, eggs, and we're gonna mix it all up. And we couldn't find fish oil, so we're gonna do it this way. There you go. Making our own chum for the sardines to come. Because our mission right now, in the late afternoon, because it's like 5 o'clock, our mission right now is going hunting for sardines, so we could keep it in the I guess sardine container, whatever it is. And it still sucks.
Think you know how to do it?
No,
if you throw it better, then you'll start doing it.
No, I forgot how to do it.
I don't think that's the way you do it. You're tangling your legs.
I forgot.
Oh wow.
Nah, it sucked.
It is super tangled.
Yeah, I did it worse than you. I guess it's been such a long time that I forgot the technique. I guess I'll leave it up to Joel and Fresco. Alright, so there you go. And then you add a little bit of water. Add a little bit of water because we got no fish oil. We couldn't find none. And then you let it mix. And you're really supposed to let it sit for like maybe 2 or 3 hours, but we're in a hurry. And there you go. You got yourself some sardine chum. And yellowtail too, but we're not going for yellowtail. We're just gonna go for sardines right now. We want to test out the little holder we made that we spent almost the whole day doing. So I say let's go with the show en el agua. And here's a good example why I call the West Coast my happy place. Because look at this, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and we're just gonna jump on the boat and head out on the water and try to catch some sardines to bring some back and see if our bait box works. And my dad's coming along just in case we do some fishing, because you never know, today might be our lucky day. But right now I'm feeling lucky enough that I could do this, because if I was back in Miami, I would have to trailer the boat to the ramp, that's about 45 minutes, and deal with the heavy traffic and go to the marina, and hopefully it's not full. And that could bring your stress level up and get you frustrated. But here today, I don't have to deal with none of that. And that's why I consider this my happy place. And look at this, what a beautiful yacht with a beautiful 39-foot Nortec as his tender. And I guess he's at his happy place right now. And we are reached our destination. We're going behind Sanibel, because most of the time we're here in the water, we notice there's a lot of sardines swimming around along the beach. So hopefully we get lucky. Fresquito is locked and loaded and just looking for the patch. That usually you can spot the sardines and you see like ripples in the water that it looks like it's raining. And when you see that, you better be ready and cast the net because they move really fast.
So what we're doing is, you see all the birds? We're following the birds because they're telling us where the sardines are at. When they get crazy, that's where the sardines are at. So they're being our friends today. Come here, birdie. Where are they? Dale, se está grande, se está grande. You got some? Yeah, you got some. Oh, se está grande, dale. Dale, se está grande, se está grande. Dale, you got more? Got a whole stack. All right. That's good. Now we go some.
Let me shake them out.
Yeah, I got you. There we go. Look at them. Come on.
That was great.
Yeah, that was a whole bunch of them. And we just got caught up on a jack frenzy. And then we caught some sardines and some jacks. So far so good. It's turning out pretty good. On a late fishing. We got enough sardines to test out the containment system behind the house. See if it works or not. So we're picking up anchor because we're gonna head to another spot. Our secret spot on the West Coast. Try to catch some snappers. We'll see what happens. And at least we're gonna take some sardines home and some jacks. What are our Carvel jacks, right? Yeah, we got about 7 or 8 Carvel jacks. But now we're gonna head try to get some snapper under the bridge. Let's go. On a fishing show. You gotta see which way the current's going. Which way is the current going? All right, so we're gonna, this is our lucky spot for the snappers. So we're gonna try to see if we catch any.
And here's why I call fishing testing our luck, because I think fishing revolves around 70% luck, 10% technique, 10% bait, and 10% location, and definitely lots of patience. If you do fishing for fun just like us, it could be very fun and relaxing. And you know what? Maybe I should start taking advantage of all these invitations I get sometimes from local charters to take us fishing. I think it might come out to be a pretty cool episode. What do you guys think?
Live action.
Oh, can't really see, but Fresco got a nice snapper. Look at that. Booyah! Look at that. Nice. They're good here.
Alright guys, and you already know that these cameras are not good at night, and it was pretty dark. So we fished another 30 more minutes, and we caught a few more snappers, and we picked up anchor and headed back home. And here's the catch for the night. And we decided to call it quits because I think that was enough fish for us and my dad. Because I only keep what we're gonna eat. I don't like being wasteful. So that's all, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time on the water. Alright guys, make sure you tune in tomorrow for a brand new video for a brand new place. Actually, it was an island and the ride was pretty far, but it was worth it because the island was full of shells that'll get the lust to collect. And I saw something I've never seen before.